Welcome to this YouTube channel about cryptocurrency education. Today I've got something very exciting for you. I'd like to talk about Travala.com. What is Travala? Travala is basically a booking website similar to Expedia or Booking.com, but it is something very special because we are here in the crypto space. This project is just mind-blowing for me. I didn't really know about this project until a few weeks ago, so I did a deep dive into it, and I'm just amazed, and I can't get enough of it, to be honest. And I think this is so innovative, and it is a real use case that's there at the moment already. So I don't know if you've actually ever heard about it or if you've actually had a look at the Travala website, but we're going to do this today. And if you think it's just boring because it's a booking website, stay with me because this is something very special, which will also have a positive impact on Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, it's also something for Cardano holders, and I'm going to mention that in this video. They have so many exciting partnerships, and I'm going into that as well. And I believe this is something that has a potential of 100x, and this is not overestimated in my opinion. By all means, I am not a financial advisor. Please always remember that. This is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion, but I've done a lot of research about this project, and I'm extremely excited about what's happening there at the moment. So let us start with Travala. So this is on CoinMarketCap, obviously the current price chart. What you can see is we're currently priced at around $2.10. We have market rank 188, which I believe in a few months' time we will see them much higher than that. What you can see here, they had their all-time high at some point in April, which was around 623. And now we are actually only at 210. So you could say pretty much a 3x from here, and we'll be back at the all-time high. That was only 2 months ago. I believe getting back to that certainly is very, very realistic in the short term. But then I believe 100x is possible as soon as we get back, as soon as the travel sector gets back onto track. And if it might not be this year, because we still see new waves coming, in the pandemic. But I believe even if that doesn't happen this year, certainly for next year in the new travel season, we should see that going through the roof, absolutely. But also this year, just by the crypto market getting towards the end of the bull cycle, which I believe will happen sort of December this year, we should be much higher than the current all-time high. But that's just my opinion. So what is Travala? By the way, they have their own coin, which is the AVA coin. And I'm going to talk about Travala, but also about AVA and what you can do with AVA and how it can help you to get free coins. I'm going to talk about that in this video. Right, let's talk about Travala. And I am extremely excited, as you might actually hear from how I talk about this project. So Travala, it looks like a fantastic booking website. Yeah, it looks like Booking.com or Expedia, but it is something special because we are in the crypto space here. So if we scroll down, you can see that you can pay for your booking with cryptocurrencies, and basically all cryptocurrencies, I believe, that are currently listed on Binance, you can pay your trip to wherever you want to go, and one of them is Cardano. So with your ADA coins, you could pay for your holiday. Isn't that fantastic? I think that's amazing. I think that is amazing innovation, but it doesn't stop there. This is just what they offer you in terms of payment. So obviously, I think you can also pay with US dollars or other currencies. But yes, you can pay with all of these here. Some of them I don't even know what they are. Like this pyramid symbol, to be honest, I don't know what it is. But you can pay with any of these for your holidays. And I think that is just amazing. Now, I said they also have their own coin, which is AVA. And what can you actually do with AVA? The AVA token. Right. The AVA token is currently, as I said, priced $2.10. They basically use their AVA token for various purposes. One purpose is that they offer so-called smart discounts. So if you become a member at Travala and you have AVA tokens, then the quantity of AVA tokens that you actually own will be responsible for, or will help you to get a discount, right? So let's say you have, I think it starts with 250 AVA tokens, and you get a 1% discount whenever you book. And the more AVA tokens you have, the more discount you get. And you can get up to 5% discount from bookings. And as I understand here, when you pay the full amount of your travel bookings with the AVA token, you can get an additional 3% off. Then they offer smart loyalty. So if you really book your stay here on Travala, you get an additional 5% loyalty reward paid in AVA coins after your stay. So that's another incentive. And also, and that's what I find very interesting, just by being a member, just by holding AVA coins, you get free AVA coins that will be locked. But you get a bonus reward of 8.04% currently of AVA if you hold AVA. And I'm going to do that actually. This allows you to have free AVA coins every year and 8% reward for that. So 8% more AVA coins every year, plus they will go up in value. And why will they go up in value? I'm going to talk about that today. But let's have another look. That's actually why I believe one of the reasons why it is going up in value. They have a repurchasing plan, so they are actually burning AVA tokens. They say here the repurchasing plan takes place every quarter. The amount of AVA to be repurchased each quarter is based on 20% of net booking revenue. Then you can spend the AVA tokens in various e-commerce shops. Here they say they have a partnership actually with over 5,000 e-commerce merchants worldwide. For example, they work together with CoinGate, which is another amazing partnership. I'm going to talk about all the partnerships in a minute. More rewards coming soon. Yeah, you can use it for booking. What else? For each booking completed on Travala.com, you get up to 2% of your final booking price paid back in AVA. That's another thing. Pay your bills with AVA, travel ads coming soon, all sorts of things. You can store your AVA on all of these wallets here, which is another great partnership. I personally own the Trezor one, but you can, all sorts of software wallets here. I don't even know all of these. Ledger is obviously a hardware wallet as well. Now here you can buy, sell and trade your AVA. As you can see, first one here, very important partnership is Binance. They also partner with CoinGate and all sorts of other ones as well. That's all about that. But as you can see here, as per the Travala.com's white paper, the AVA purchasing plan will take place every quarter until 21 million AVA are permanently destroyed. This represents 35% of the total starting supply, reducing the overall total supply to just 40 million AVA. That is not a lot, and it will likely lead, just likely lead to an increase in price. But it doesn't stop there, guys. It doesn't stop there. So why 100x? Let's have a look at the partner page. Oh, by the way, they have actually partnered with Binance. So not many people know that actually Binance, a couple of years ago, I think, they launched their own travel booking website. And they've actually partnered. They cooperate with Travala. So Travel Bybit here, powered by Binance, they cooperate with Travala. That is very important and very good to know. Cardano, coin listing, partnerships. The first one here is actually, the first partnership I just want to talk about is they have partnered with Emergo, which, as you might know, is the founding entity of the Cardano protocol. So they have partnered with them, and I believe just because of that, that will have a potential positive impact on Cardano and ADA in the long run as well. Just wanted to mention that because on this channel I've spoken a lot about Cardano, and as I know many of you are just addicted by the Cardano project and just love Cardano, there is one more thing here why you might want to take a closer look at AVA and Travala. But let's have a further look at the partners, and this is mind-blowing, guys. This is mind-blowing. The partners of Travala, and I don't even know all these partners, but they've got massive partnerships. Honestly, they've partnered with Decentraland, guys. They've partnered with Decentralized. What else? We've got partnerships. I already mentioned Binance. They also partnered with Booking.com. They partnered with Expedia. So that already shows you how big this is. They partnered with CoinGecko, Harmony, and I can't even. This just, I don't know how many pages there are, guys. Partnerships, but there are so many partnerships. I'm not going through all of them here, but you can take a moment and do it yourself if you want to. Otherwise, this would just be a very long website. Here, VeChain, obviously very popular in China, guys. So it just shows you that this thing is a very, very serious potential investment for you guys. And I'm just going to scroll through here so you can have a quick look through. but I recommend that you take a moment before you invest in AVA, if you want to. You have a look at all these partnerships, and it just shows you how far this has developed already. And I haven't actually heard a lot about it, but in the background so much is going on. The reason for that is potentially that due to what's currently going on in the world, obviously, as you all know, the travel industry is down. The travel industry is down, but people will want to go back to traveling. And as soon as we get out of this current situation here, guys, people will start traveling again. And in the background here, Travala, what they've done, they've built so many partnerships. They've come up with a very, very innovative and new way of booking holidays. Guys, this will just go through the roof. That is why I strongly believe in the 100x potential of AVA. That is what I believe is going to help Travala get to the moon, guys. And yeah, I already mentioned about the. I think it's actually they're actually planning a fusion with the Binance booking platform, or I don't know if it's just a partnership, but I've heard it's actually a fusion they are working on. And also, you know, companies like Expedia and Booking.com, they are also interested in the progress of Travala. So what is the reason? Because of all these great things, why is the price only at 211 at the moment? It's just increased a little bit, but why is it only at 211? Now, because we're so low because of what's currently going on in the world, as I said, the travel segment is basically dead, but people are being vaccinated, and this is a very innovative platform. So you can even get paid for traveling while holding coins, and these could also increase 100x, which could result in free holidays. You can pay for it with your the cryptocurrency of your choice. And you need to think about how many people are currently invested in cryptocurrencies. Not that many, maybe 5, I don't know, I haven't seen a statistic, but I would just say maybe just 5% of the worldwide population, maybe even less, maybe a bit more. But if that gets more and more popular, more and more people will get into it, and more people will look at Travala. As soon as people will get back to making holidays, this will just go through the roof. And as you could see, you can get free AVA rewards by just staking them. I think it's not strictly staking, but maybe it is. But by just being a member and by just holding AVA coins, you get 8% paid every year. These will go up in value from my point of view. You know, nothing is investment advice here, but from my point of view, this will go up in value. And, look at that. I mean, even like 5 years ago, or I don't know how many, before Bitcoin went off the first time, you know, Bitcoin, people said it couldn't go higher than $3,000. And now we were at 65,000 this year, you know, and this has gone to 620, whatever, this year. You know, this can just imagine 5 years from now. I strongly believe that could go 100x. This is really just the beginning. It has just been launched, but they have so many partnerships. Just imagine 5, 6, 7 years where we are from now. I will definitely buy some AVA coins. I am highly excited about this project. Really, really excited about this project. The whole travel industry might actually not kick off this year in summer, but it certainly will next year. But even if it's not next year, you know, but in the next 5 years, this will just kick off. And the chance here, the potential is that you are still very early when you get into this. Yeah, it would have been good to get in here, but you know, it's sort of not too late in my opinion. And the use case is fantastic. It is already there. You can already go onto this website, go to Cornwall in the UK or wherever, and book your stay in a hotel and book that with ADA coins. Yeah, it is fantastic, just fantastic. All right, so let me know in the comments if you knew about this project, if you knew everything that it entailed, if there's anything else I should have mentioned, let me know, guys. But this has so much potential and I'm highly excited. Hopefully that came across. I believe it did. Let me know if you want to see similar videos. And what else? If you want to support this channel, which is about cryptocurrency education, talking about Cardano and other cryptocurrencies, then please subscribe to the channel. Also leave a like, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.